It's best known as the home of the 2016 NBA champion Cleveland Cavaliers. However, this week, the Republican National Convention made it the hub for all things political.
The Republican Party needs to negate the accusations that the Democratic Party and the liberal media is levying against them. And the Republican Party is not racist, and they have a great deal of outreach to the minority communities, and they want to embrace people of color even more. I invite all people of color to come check the Republican Party out and just see what it has to offer. I believe it can be more beneficial to you materially, spiritually, and physically than the Democratic Party has been.
When we talk about the Republican Party, it's education, entrepreneurship, and opportunity. And it's those three things that provide growth, opportunity, and prosperity in our community. And this is what this convention is about. It's about showcasing, Cleveland proper. It was hit within the 2008 recession. And so all the community, whether they're inside the queue participating in the Urban League, the marketplace, or out in the community, they will see an uptick in their business sales.
Bring people together to work for the betterment of our country, not for the betterment of other countries. You know what I mean? And still keep the respect and the cultural respect of the other country. Walk in their shoes. Don't try to intimidate. Don't try to buy them and intimidate them in person. Understand, respect. RESPECT.
September, and then several meetings after that, we're part of a coalition for diversity for Mr. Trump. And so with that, we've had these discussions, and the main thing that he's talked about are things that would affect people that look like us more than the rest. When you talk about rebuilding infrastructure, that's going to affect us. When you talk about tax cuts to bring business back into the inner city, that's going to affect us. These are things where in the last 8 years rather, almost, we've done miserably with, unemployment, with our young folks, unemployment with even, those that are left the workforce and the rest of it. And so with that, you need somebody that signed the front of a paycheck, because signing the back of one is pretty easy, but signing the front of one, someone that's created jobs, that's what we need in the White House right now.